Hey folks, welcome to Google I/O 2023. This is the Pixel Fold. Yes, it is, and it's got a bunch of cameras up here. So there's 3 in the back, 48 megapixel main camera with OIS, 10.8 megapixel ultra wide, 10.8 megapixel 5x telephoto. Of course, there's a little speaker and flash, Google logo, etc. So let's do a quick walk around of the ports here. As you can see, there's a USB Type-C charging port, speaker, microphones, SIM tray, and here on the other side you have another speaker, the millimeter wave antenna, which you can clearly see there. And then on the edge here, you have a volume rocker and a power lock key with an embedded fingerprint sensor. And again, you know, some antenna bands because this is obviously metal and glass. So now let's open it up. Unfortunately, it's not something you can do with one hand, but here you go. So this is a 7.6 inch Full HD Plus display. And as you can see in the top corner here is a camera. It's an 8 megapixel front facing camera. And there's a bit of bezel all the way around and a bit of a crease, as you can see here in the reflection. Let me show you the back of it. And there you go. And as you can see, it is very, very thin. It's one of the thinnest. Yeah, very nice. So yeah, you know, you've got a Tensor G2 inside here. You've got 12 gigs of RAM and 256 or 512 gigs of storage. And so it's got a 4800 milliamp hour battery inside, and it charges at 21 watts and has 7.5 watt wireless charging. So, you know, pretty decent set of specs. Let me fold it up again. So here we go. And you know, in front here is another front-facing camera. It's a 9.6 megapixel. And this front display is a 5.8 inch display. It's 1080p. And we have 120 hertz refresh rate all around, which is really nice. So yeah, that's a quick look at the Google Pixel Fold. And as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Folding phone from Google with all the trimmings. Stay tuned for more videos, folks. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, and comment below. Let me know. Would you buy this phone? Is this something you're excited about? It is expensive, $17.99. So let me know.